Hey, so today we are talking about Nano Banana, which is Google's new AI tool for editing images with AI or creating images with AI. So it's been phenomenally popular in the AI community, and it's being infused into all these different Google products. So currently, you could find it in Gemini as like a home base, but it's being infused into different tools like Google Photos, Notebook LM. So a lot of this is really for pro users right now, and then we'll see it kind of be pushed in slowly over time, maybe the next month or two. But all throughout the Google ecosystem, I think they put it into about six different tools in the Google universe early in October. So you're going to see this kind of showing up everywhere, which is kind of exciting. So let's take a look at how it works and what you can do with it. So here's one way to use it. So you could find this in Gemini. Basically, if there's three different options in here, you could upload an image or add something from your tribe, and you see create images, which is Nano Banana. So I put in the cover of my emerging Edtech video that I'm doing right now, and I asked it to add a Thanksgiving theme and background with colors. So, the first one looks pretty good, but I did ask for an alternate version that looks a little bit better because the text is a little bit more legible. And then I asked for a version of it at the Nike conference, which is coming up at Turning Stone Resort Casino in November, of me holding a sticker. So it could do that as well. So, I didn't give it any additional information about that. It just pulled images from the internet, which is great. So, it just gives you a way to kind of, create images and manipulate images really easily and quickly. Here's a look at how good Nano Banana is. I just uploaded my headshot and then I asked it to make a commercial minifigure based on me. And you could see that it did a really good job of sort of projecting the rest of it, making a figure. And then I asked it to make a version of it at a comic convention that's oversized. So the fact that it's in Gemini is handy. You can actually ask Gemini what kind of images you can create for specific learning scenarios. So this is an example of social studies students in 10th grade, and it kind of says primary source visuals as an idea. And then it gives you ideas for activities like a photographic detective, where you analyze the photo and figure out the time period and the societal norms. It's exciting that this is getting pushed into Notebook LM. It's already there for pro users. So now when you create a video explainer, you'll have different styles to actually work with, and it's going to reference actual things that are in these sources, which is great. So everything from anime to whiteboard to retro prints, which is pretty exciting. So, you could look at the video I created last month on Notebook LM if you're not familiar. So again, that's a quick look. It does a really good job. I could see this kind of like, being Photoshopped for anyone that just uses this tool now. So you're able to kind of make these quick changes. And again, it's getting better and better. A lot of people are kind of using it in conjunction with other things like Adobe Firefly. So really interesting. And, I think it would be really useful for anyone that needs to edit images. So best of luck.